Hi guys. Today my name is Penguin, by the way. This is my first video. My first Beastrom video ever. So you can like and subscribe. Okay, anyways, don't mind me, my English is kind of bad, so yeah. But I'm gonna actually, guys, gonna show you. Oh yeah, I need to. Guys, I'm gonna grind for this hype slot, and yeah, don't mind me about this. So how many pollen I have? Yeah, that's the thing. Michael, just do this, make honey. Oh, okay, that's kind of bad. Do not mind me. I am just, yeah, I'm just, but yeah, today we're gonna grind for hype slots because my mission is to get, yeah, we're gonna, in this video, guys, today we're gonna grind some for 30 bees. And then in the next video, I'm gonna grind for 35 bees, so that's gonna be very crazy. Just watch to the end to see what happens. Yeah. So, probably you can just do this. For example, let's get this blue feed booster. Get this first, actually, and also gonna get this stupid blue feed booster. Oh man, yeah, that's kind of good. I mean, yeah. So we're gonna grind from sprinkler here to sprinkler here. Okay, so let's just do it. Come on. This is probably my first Beastrom video. Guys, this is actually not a video, but I'm gonna post this on my YouTube video, you know, so it's like a subscribe. And then I enjoy the video to see what happens. Okay, so oh my god, it's not higher. Dang it, bro, I'm just yeah, just trying to oh dang, bro, I got 30 million honey, and then yeah, blah 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 blah, puff rooms, itty bitty Oh yeah, 30 video. Oh yeah. Now I can get the hive slot. Wait. I'm gonna go back to this. I'm done grinding. Am I right? Oh my god, I got what? Okay, never mind. But I really thought I got like that hive slot. In order to just get out, I need like I need, never mind, just 3 million more, blah blah blah. sometimes, yeah, I really wanted to get this Tabi Bees so bad. By the way, guys, I got like some Tabi Bees. If I could have just got like, this will be part 1 Beast War, by the way. So the suit is golf ball, bro. Ah, dang it, I missed. Come on, come on, bro. Just, where? Come on. Yes, you did it. Anyways, yeah. Let me get this balloon. This will actually work because if I could just, oh. Oh wait, forgot. Probably forget. I'm just gonna do this, but to be honest, my speaking is so bad right now, so hopefully guys, but I'll use my first video to practice how to do my informations. Get the 30 pizza, and then yeah, maybe I'm about to get it. Why am I taking so long to get this 37? Oh my god, I just hate this game. I never cried to this game. This is not really good. I mean, when will this happen? But I got 2 berries. Speaking to my information of calculations of them. Bruh, okay, wait. I don't wanna show my face review. But I'll show my face review. Wait a minute, I forgot it. Actually, this is my first Beast War video. And yeah. And don't mind my voice cause it's so ugly, I mean. My voice looks like a baby voice. And yeah, you guys remembered me and Luke fighting in the strongest battlegrounds. We were just fighting for fun. Oh yeah. Yes! I'm almost getting that. Ah yes! Finally! I got that stupid. Oh, sorry, my speaking. Sorry. Yeah. To my calculations, I got still 29 bees, but that's stupid silver egg. And that is all for today. But just wait. Oh dang, I got 200 ticket. And I just wasted, but yeah. Yeah. Finally, I got. Oh my god, bro! I got 30 bees and yeah. Oh my god. yeah guys, so that is end of the video, and yeah, goodbye. Bye bye.